Hey everybody, Steve here from Eck Automotive in beautiful Chicago. And I'm coming to you with some more cost-saving tips when it comes to servicing your car. It's no secret that the more maintenance you do, the less likely your car will break down or need repairs. It's really that simple. But what people don't know is that the cost of maintenance is only about 10% of the cost of repairs. You could save up to 90% of the money you're going to spend in your car by doing more maintenance. You're going to do less repairs. I'm just going to give you a quick example. Replacing the transmission in a car, that can range a couple $1,000, $2,000–$3,000 easily. But servicing the transmission to get more life out of it, that's just a couple $100. And over the course of a life of a car, you're only doing it a few times. So it really is worth maintaining your car, and that's just the transmission. There's the cooling system, of course the engine itself, belts, hoses, everything. Maintain them, and you'll be less likely to have to repair them. And an added bonus, maintenance can be done at your convenience. Breakdown and repairs always seem to happen at the worst time. So anyway, start maintaining your car more so you'll start repairing it less. I'm Steve from Eck Automotive and here in beautiful Chicago. Have a great day.